As of version 4.3 of Animator, you have 3 modes to render an animation using VRay. So you have the interactive mode, which existed already, and I have added the batch mode and the cloud mode. So we are going to see these 2 new modes in the present video. In interactive mode, you process the rendering within the session, so it means you block Animator and Sketchup for the time VRay is rendering the frames. So I use a speed factor of 4, so there are less frames to generate for this video. So here you see that we have 14 frames to generate. It's going to take around 28 seconds. Okay, as you know, since version 4.2 of Animator, you can interrupt the rendering and finish it later. So you go back, you can even exit SketchUp, and when you come back, you have this video to be generated. There are only 10 frames left to be generated. And you start again the generation until it is finished. Here is the end of the generation, so you have the movie which is generated. So that's the interactive mode, which basically it's a little bit, can be a little bit slow, and also prevents you to do anything else within this session of SketchUp. You can open another session, but at least in the session, you are blocked by the rendering. In batch mode, the generation is done in 2 steps. First, you register the frame, so it's been extremely fast, and it was a dialog box in yellow, and then you generate the frames, and at this stage you can even work in SketchUp if you wish, although no surprise, anyway, VRay is computing and taking power from your computer. You see that it goes a little bit faster. I assume you can use the GPU on your machine if you have such facility. Okay, at the end, you get pretty much the same video. The cloud mode will also be in several steps and the same approach. The first step is to register the frames. So here it's very fast, and then you are proposed to either finish later, forget of course the generation, and start the cloud rendering. So before you do that, you need to be signed in a Chaos website, and of course have credits because the cloud rendering is charged to you. And once the cloud rendering is done, you have to go back to Animator and launch the end of the process to get the actual video. Okay, so let's start the cloud rendering. So Animator is submitting the animation to the cloud rendering of Chaos. You go automatically to the page. You can go back to Animator. You can take a coffee. It's not. But if you are interested, you can follow the execution of the job on the website of Chaos. Okay. The main interest of that is that you can close SketchUp, you can work on something else, no problem. So you just have to wait until this is done. So let's wait. So I received a mail from Chaos Cloud that the job is completed. So I move to Animator, start Animator, start the process for video generation. So I see in the list of the pending videos that I have my job, which is missing just one video. So, and I can see, by the way, this is also something introduced in Animator 4.2 is a log of what happens for the video. So let's leave it open, finish the video. So I will now download the images from the Chaos website and generate the video. Okay, so it's downloading. And here, so I have the generation of the video. Which is basically the same as in the other modes. So this concludes this short video on VRay and Animator. I must thank the Chaos VRay developers that helped me to implement these functionalities in Animator. So enjoy Animator.